Nature Center started in 1981 with a simple but powerful mission.
Our mission is to connect kids to nature.
Yeah. What's a very important rule when we're hiking?
Here, the classroom is the outdoors.
Hi.
This week-long nature adventure camp held over school break gives children ages 6 to 11 hands-on environmental education.
That's always part of our camps, is just being outside, fishing, hiking, crafts and games out in the meadow.
The key here is being tech-free for 5 days of outdoor adventure.
You know, we didn't have cell phones and iPads 40 years ago when we started, but to see the kids that are so ingrained with that now, from, you know, classrooms to just being at home. So it's a less screen time, more green time.
We talked about turning some of our screen time this year into green time, because spending time outside, of course, is good for us physically, it's good for us mentally, and it's sustainable because we're spending less time using energy, using electricity, playing with things that are made of plastic. We emphasize using your imagination. A lot of these kids have amazing imaginations, building forts with sticks down by the stream, and just giving them the space and time to be able to do that.
Over the past 44 years, more than 1 million students on Oahu and Maui have immersed themselves in nature through this nonprofit program. Through engaging experiences, they take home a greater appreciation, understanding, and stewardship of Hawaii's environment.
Turn it inside out.
To really take the screens away for the week and just say, for the next 8 hours, we're going to be playing games, we're going to be out in the forest, we're going to be playing with forts and sticks and playing hide and seek and all these games that, you know, I grew up playing and stuff like that. And it's really good for them, I think, to see that and have that experience, especially at such a young age.
Sign-ups are happening now for the next camps coming up in March. Tanya Joaquin, Island News.